Tēnā rā tātou katoa e te whānau. Hoi nei te kēmu tuatoru o tō tātou rangi I tēnei rā. I roto I o tātou kēmu toru ki te toru Poitukohu Nationals. Welcome back everybody. This is our third game of the day at our 3-on-3 Nationals basketball tournament. In this matchup we have Rotorua girls playing up against Tauranga girls, so a little bit of a rivalry match here. The cousins playing off against each other. As you see, Tauranga is in the dark blue, Rotorua in our grey. She will go into the line here, trying to find the first points. As Rotorua is the home team in this match, as our tournament is played in Rotorua this week. Rotorua now with the ball, looking to move it around. Tough shot there. Tauranga now at the top of the key. Little pump fake, drive through, trying to finish to the left, unable to. Rotorua now with the ball. She couldn't execute under the defense. Baseline drive, kick back to the top. Kuruwhiwhitoru. Great shot there by the Tauranga girls. High school player. Strong defense here by Tauranga girls, not letting Rotorua get much space. And getting a strong rebound. Kuruwhiwhirua. Unable to make that one. Strong box out by Rotorua. Rotorua looking for that pick and roll. Kuruwhiwhirua tia te kaua wao he hamine. We'd like to thank our sponsors as well. To find first, a big thank you to Whakaata MāORI for bringing this live stream to us all free and accessible wherever you are. Also grateful for the support of Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects and Anchor, whose sponsorships enable us to share this event with you and your whānau. Also to Te Tera Whiri for supporting Te Reo Māori commentary. Big mihi to all of our sponsors. Without them, this tournament couldn't possibly happen. And we're going to be able to share it with our whānau at home as well. Great little piece of play there by Tauranga girls. Koinei a Rotorua me te poro I 9-8. Blocking foul called by our kaua wao. Era, whai a Rotorua te poro ki te tope. Both schools are a little bit known for their basketball in the girls' academy as well. Rotorua now me te poro on the top of the key, unable to make it. Tauranga girls now looking to drive middle and finish with the left, and she does. Rotorua me te poro I 9-8. Good defense by Tauranga, able to force the shot clock violation. Tauranga, coming off the screen with speed, just unable to finish at the right. As you see, Rotorua now with the ball, trying to go through, unable to. And she heads to the line. Rotorua will try to find their first points of the game at the free throw line. Unable to though, engari ko kahanga mahi tūrapa no te kōtiro o Tauranga moana, oroha mai o Rotorua. Strong rebound there. And there we go, Rotorua finds their first points. Kick out though by Tauranga. Another 2-pointer attempt, and she makes it. Great shooting here by the Tauranga Moana team. Tauranga Moana, pump fake, drive middle, kick out, jab step. Oh, great drive, splitting between two defenders. Oh, such a good skill to have. Rotorua now with the Poro. Corner. Strong defense here by Tauranga. Able to split them though. It's unable to finish. Kiriwhiwhirua. Te tā, te kimi piro. Hia ana ngā tima erua ke kimi. Tinga wai hou. Both teams looking to get some fresh legs on. Such a fast-paced game. 3-on-3 is a rip. Foul called. Anore ka whai wā. A Tauranga Moana. Kimi piro. Tauranga Moana unable to hit on the free throw line. Rotorua now. Strong defense, fighting for the ball. And Tauranga win that one as well, so they'll get the ball at the top. Little pass and screen away play. Handoff coming off it. And draw the foul. We'll also find our way to the line. Kia kimi piro, I te rarangi whai piro. Ko te tumanako e pāna tō te rangi. I tēnei rā. Hopefully everyone's having a good day so far. Good morning. E koirirotia. Te kauawa, he more tepe. Bit of a travel. Koe nei a Tauranga me te poro. Te pahi ana. Kiriwhiwhirua. Open shot. Oh, just unable to hit on that one. Turi miniti e toi ana I roto I tēnei kemu. Ngā tāpeke I tēnei wā, ko te tahi ki te waru ki a Tauranga Moana. Kiriwhiwhirua anō, and she does, she makes it. Strong defense there by Tauranga girls. Coming high off the screen. Shutting it down so she can't go downhill. As you see Rotorua now, good shot there from the low post. Rotorua girls try to defend it. Fast downhill drive there by Tauranga. Another one, a baseline drive. Unable to finish. Gets the rebound though, twice. Able to put it back up. Rotorua unable to hold on to it. So, I'll get another chance though. 2 minutes left to go. Picked off by Tauranga girls. Kiriwhiwhirua. And another great shot by Tauranga girls. Some great shooting on display this morning from the Tauranga girls college side. This just sorting out who came off. Just waiting for the ball to return. About a minute left to go in this game with Te whānau. Tauranga girls up by a couple points. Kiriwhiwhirua. Rotorua, te kimi piro. Coming off the screen. Looking for that right hand finish, and she does. Great work there by Tauranga girls. Rotorua girls now. Coming off the screen with a bit of a handoff. Unable to control the ball quite well. Kiriwhiwhirua, and it's good. Rotorua girls player. Carry on, ref says no call was called. Travel call by Kawawa. Turu tuke hukone tuana. Next game after this at the final, it is a crossover. First of Pool A will play against the winner of the quarterfinal. So stay tuned. And that's what's up next. Koina te kemi mo tēnei kemi te whānau. That is game for this game. Everybody, Taringa Girls coming away with the win against Rotorua Girls 14-4. Stay tuned for the rest of our games at the whānau. E te ti e te tā, mai hoki mai, ki tēnei papahotanga I runga I whakata Māori I runga I a MāORI Plus. Welcome back everybody to this live broadcasting channel on MāORI Plus. In this game we have Tauranga Moana up against Rotorua Boys. My Tauranga Boys playing up against Rotorua Boys. Another rivalry match. Just down the road from each other. So looking forward to this matchup this morning. Both sides a little bit of a reputation in the basketball world in Aotearoa for secondary schools. Obviously all of our tournaments are usually played in Rotorua or in Tauranga for basketball in Aotearoa. Yeah. Keen to see these two teams play each other in our 3x3 Nationals tournament. There's our first points to Tauranga Moana. Tauranga Boys kicking us off. Rotorua Boys looking for the low post. Driving through is Rotorua. Kuriwhiwhirua and makes it. First 2-pointer of our game. Rotorua looking to hit back. Pick and pop. Unable to connect to the hoop on that one. Reira ka whai a Rotorua I te poro I nānei. Rotorua with the drive and the finish. Strong work by Rotorua Boys early on. Ko tikinia ia I te hamene anō ki reira ka whai wā ki whai piro anō. Unable to do so. Can't find the extras. Out of bounds. Unlucky there by Rotorua Boys. Kuriwhiwhirua. And another 2-pointer. So, number 5 I believe that is for Tauranga Boys. Putting on a couple of early shots in this game. Rotorua Boys still with the 1-pointer. Kuriwhiwhirua here. And there it is. First 2-pointer for Rotorua Boys. Tauranga Boys. Oh, unable to find points on that one. Ngari ko tūrapatia e ngā tama o Rotorua. Kuriwhiwhirua. Oh, unlucky on that one. In and out on the rim. Gonna set him up here. Triple kicking it out to the wing. Ko tūrapa. Yeah, Tauranga. Strong rebounding there by Tauranga Boys. Kick out. Another drive through the middle. Looking to finish, and he does. Rotorua now with the kick out. Comes off the screen, looking for that 2. Unable to. Kuriwhiwhirua. Both sides, couple of threes thrown up now. Unable to hit. As you see, Rotorua looking to go driving to the basket. Fades away a little bit. And Rotorua unable to find points off the rebound. Kuriwhiwhirua. Here we go again, another 2-pointer by Tauranga Boys. Koinei a Rotorua me te poro. Ki te tope e panapana ni te poro. Passing the ball around now. Oh, a little bit of a fade, just off balance shot there. Here he is, kicks out. Tauranga Boys. Little step through play and gets the easy one. Rotorua trying to shake off the defenders. Finishes and finds the extras. Oreira, ko haere. Te tama no Rotorua, ki te rarangi whai piro. unable to finish on the free throw line. Oh, great speed off the dribble there by Tauranga boys. Little passing card play, unable to hold on to it though. He mihi nui ki o tātou sponsors. A big thank you to all our sponsors for Kata Māori for enabling us to broadcast and live stream our games for our whānau at home. You can watch it from anywhere, free of charge. So all our other sponsors as well, Apollo Projects, Bailey Real Estate, Tiva and Anchor, who support the kaupapa of this tournament. He mihi nui kia koutou. Also to Te Taura Whiri for supporting Te Reo Māori commentary. Another big thank you to them too. Out of bounds there by Tauranga boys. So Rotorua get away with one there. Oh, unlucky on that shot. As you see Tauranga boys now looking to try to find more points. Foul called by Kaiwa Wall. Leader. Kimi Iaia, i te rarangi whai piro. He's going to add the extras, and he does. Put the Tauranga to 12 points. Rotorua still left 4. I want to find some points quickly with about 4 minutes left to go in this game. Kuriwhiwhirua, unable to make. Rotorua boys now with the ball, spin, and finishes. Oh, another 2-pointer by number 5 from Tauranga boys. Rotorua boys unable to find points just yet. Coming off that first pointer. Rotorua boys unable to hit on the 2-pointer. There, Tauranga. Oh, just unable to find his teammate there. Rotorua, final 1 point up. Out of bounds again. Tauranga. Rotorua boys, baseline drive in the reverse. Toru miniti e toena I roto I tēnei kemu I tēnei wā. Tauranga moana, me ngā Tauranga, o mā whā Rotorua, e waru. Here we go, Rotorua with the ball, trying to bump his way into the key. Foul called. And he'll hit to the free throw line. Unable to pull on the extras though. Oh, great jump shot. Unable to hit though. Bit short of the hoop. You can just see the skill though. Going into that shot. Baseline. Down the low block. Able to find points from there. Kuriwhiwhirua. There it is, 2-pointer by Tauranga boys. With about a minute left to go. Rotorua now. Unable to find the 2. Kuriwhiwhirua again. Can't hit. Minute left. Otoro boys trying to find the one. Ooh. Tough foul call on Tauranga boys' part. So Otoro will get a chance to put some more points on. And they do. Toru to go help on up. Gonna buy this time away. In the game off strong. Fade away. Te tae te Kimi Piro. 10 seconds left in this game with Tefano. What a game it's been this morning. Great game between the two sides. Tauranga boys coming away with the win. Up against Rotorua boys 17 to 10. Ata areare mai mo te kemu e whai ake nei. I believe it is a crossover. No, it is a round robin. Areare mai mo te kemu e whai ake nei. Nau mai hoki mai te whānau. Koe nei te kemu wanganui te koutu. Tātou ko Rotorua Girls. Welcome back everybody. It's games between Te Koutu and Rotorua Girls in this morning's matchup. Te Koutu, another school who's been out of the ranks. I roto I te ao poe tukohu. He kura Māori. Kaore te nui hoki engari. Tino. Not a big school, but they are well known coming out of the ranks in the last couple of years, you know, in the basketball world in Aotearoa. Rotorua Girls, I believe, is in the blue. Te Koutu in the white. Te Koutu with the ball now. Rotorua Girls with the ball now. Trying to move it around, coming off a screen. I'm not sure what the ref called there. Te toa te kite. Heli ko Te Koutu me te poro. Nānei. We'll move a little fade away and get some points away. Here, Rotorua Girls with the ball. Hand on ball on defense. Reira ka whai wā Rotorua ki te rārangi whai piro. Te Koutu looking to drive, unable, just lost their footing there. Now Rotorua Girls get the ball. You need to move it around a little bit. Looking for the jump shot, unable to find points off it though. Kuruwhiwhirua attempt. Hard luck, strong rebounding by both girls. Rotorua coming away with it. Strong defense, pressure defense, no Ngahine or Te Koutu. O te kura kaupapa Māori o Te Koutu ki okune whakaaro. Rotorua Girls. Bit of a foul there, and she'll go to the free throw line. While she is doing that, we'd like to give a big thank you to our sponsors. E mihi nui ki a whakata Māori for allowing us to broadcast and live stream our 3-on-3 Nationals tournament in Rotorua today and during this whole. It's also free and accessible wherever, so big thank you to them. Also to all our other sponsors who support the kaupapa, the Tiva, Anchor, Polo Projects and many others. He mihi nui kia Te Taura Whiri. Big thank you to Te Taura Whiri for supporting Te Reo Māori commentary. So yeah, just a big thank you to all of our sponsors. Without them, our tournament wouldn't be able to happen, and there wouldn't be any live streams so our whānau at home can watch. As we get back into the action, Rotorua girls with the ball now. Coming off a screen, looking to drive downhill. Strong defense though by Tekotu. Tekotu driving middle and unlucky. Just couldn't find the layup. Now, Rotorua girls. For handoff. Strong defense by Tekotu. Letting that one go out. So we get the ball at the top. And there Tekotu with the portal baseline drive. Great work to find that space, creating space between defenders and the hoop. Oh, I thought the ball would have got stuck there. Ihara. Tekotu. Kuriwhiwhirua. Te tā, te kimipiro. Koenei a Rotorua I nāne me te pōro. Kuriwhiwhirua. Oh, good attempt, just unable to find it. Strong attack coming downhill by the Tekotu player. And was caller blocking, so Tekotu will get the ball back. Downhill again. Oh, great layup. Finish with the right. Wow, Tekotu don't know. Tekotu. Kahanga mahi ārai o Tekotu. These two teams are neighbours. Just down the road from each other in Rotorua. As well, it's fun if you did not know. This is the zone 1, I believe. No, Arohamai zone 2 of our 3-on-3 basketball nationals, secondary schools. Zone 4 is up in Auckland. Tori meneti e toi ana I roto I tēnei kemu. Ko ngā tāpeke tanga piro, ko te rima ki te rua, kia te koutu, tēnei wā. Kick out, Kuriwhiwhirua. Great shot there by te koutu. Finding that 2-pointer. Putting them up by 5 now with about 2.5 to go. Downhill drive, oh great step back. Kuriwhiwhirua. Te tā, te kimi piro anō. So she brings on her teammate to get some fresh legs on. Rotorua girls get the ball at the top. Little pass and screen away play. Unable to find points again, Rotorua. Ngare koenei a te koutu. And they find points coming downhill and finishing with the right. Strong defense by te koutu. Rotorua looking to back it down. Strong hold on possession there. And it is a turnover. Later, Tekotu get the ball. Gonna go downhill again. Ka hanga mai he tūrapa no te hine. O no ngā hine me ki. O ngā kura e rua. Strong rebounding by both girls of both schools. Good finish as well by Tekotu there. It would be, I believe it would be pretty hot down in these courts today. Whānau, it usually is in the Velodrome court o Rotorua. Engari, ka tākoro tonu. Rotorua now looking for that backdoor cut. Unable to finish it though. 30 seconds left to go. Kuriwhiwhirua. Oh, great shot. Why to go to. Rotorua now. Now 10 seconds left. They want to try to find a little bit more points. Little jump stop. Unable to finish off the rebound. Kuruwhiwhirua. Unlucky on that one. Kuruwhiwhirua before the game. And there it is. Another 2-pointer. Koina, te kemu e te whānau. Te koutu ngā toa. I roto i tēnei kemu. Te kaumarua ki te rua. 12-2 to te koutu over Rotorua girls in this game. Two teams battled out really well. Stay tuned for our next game with te whānau. I believe it is St. Paul's playing off against John Paul College. Coming up next.
Okay, so our next round. So 13 are basically put on the two. And the loser of the last game. 4-3 will be the top of the round. 4-4 is the loser of the round. And 4-5 is the loser of the round. Okay, referee. Tie up here and close on court one. Hamilton District and MΑORI, court 3. Rotorua 3. And
Tēnā tātou katoa, koe nei te Kemu Wanganui a John Paul rātou ko St. Paul's. Welcome back everybody. It's the scammers between John Paul and St. Paul's College. St. Paul's from Hamilton and John Paul, I believe, from Rotorua. John Paul in the red, St. Paul's in the white with the yellow strips. Before we get into action, I'd like to take the moment to thank our sponsors. First, a big thank you to Whakata MāORI for bringing this live stream so it's free of charge and accessible no matter where we are located. We're also grateful for the support of Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects, and Anchor, whose sponsorship enables us to share this event with you and your whānau. And we'd finally like to thank Te Tera Whiri for the valuable mahi they are doing to support Te Reo Māori commentary. Their support truly does make a difference to whānau. Without them, these kaupapa couldn't go ahead. So we are back into action now with St. Paul's with the ball. Our tournament is in Rotorua, e te whānau. Little off-ball screen there and cut to the basket. Great work by St. Paul's to find the easy basket. John Paul getting their first points now. Pump fake. Looking to finish at the rim, and he does. Finds the foul as well. Ko whiria te kaua wau he hāmene. No, John Paul. Oh, bit of a false start there. Engari, e pai ana. Koe nei te kura o John Paul me te pōro i nānei. I'm not sure what the ref is calling here. Might have been a foul. Engari, John Paul with the ball. 3-1 at the moment. Oh, great pump fake. Looking to finish. And he does. Out of bounds by St. Paul's there. John Paul now with the ball. At the top. Looking to drive downhill. He does. Just unable to finish at the rim. Kuriwhiwhirua. And he makes it. Puts St. Paul's to 5. John Paul to 2. John Paul now looking for that player. Unable to though. Pump fake. St. Paul's, some great pump fakes early on in this match. Catching John Paul's defenders jumping all the time. Oh, great pass. And just over the back foul. Able to draw the foul. And head his way to the free throw line. Alright, I think the ref pulled him back and said it was a on the floor foul. St. Paul's with the ball now, kicks it up. Pump fake. Oh, great block there by John Paul. Able to read it from behind. Kuriwhiwhirua unable to hit by St. Paul's. Engari John Paul now. Step back. Looking for their 3. And he does. Finds a 2-pointer. Now St. Paul looking to strike back. A tip from behind from John Paul. 4 minutes gone in this game. 10-minute games to find out if you did not know. There were 10-minute games on 3-on-3. No halves, no quarters. First to 21 inside 10 minutes. And whoever has the highest points while the 10 minutes up and you don't get to 21, they will get started with the winners for the match. I think later on in the day we'll be heading into crossovers. If I know. So stay tuned for those games. Hopefully we have some real exciting games coming up later in the day. But now, between this pause, St. Paul's up by 2, 6-4 at the moment. Kurupipirua, unable to hit. Kahanga mahi ara no te kura o St. Paul's. Nei ke rata te koro. Kurupipirua, te tā te kimipiro I roto I tēnā few. And John Paul just lost the ball, lost control of it. So St. Paul's will get the ball back. Now St. Paul's looking for that 2-pointer. Close to it, not quite though. Just a bit of a ball violation coming onto the court. Don't want anybody getting injured. Rolling the ball. Great finish there by John Paul. Oh, great finish again if he could. Oh no, ref calls a travel on it. Hard call there. Now we see John Paul with the ball. Seeing if they can cut down St. Paul's lead and bring it to a 1-point game. Or even shorten it to a 2. St. Paul's now with the ball, moving around. Dribbling on that right edge, kicking it to the top. Looking for that jump shot. Into the rim. Ngari kahanga mahi. Turapa, no te kura, or John Paul. Strong rebounding by John Paul. Deep 3. Unable to hit. Rebounded by St. Paul's. Now looking to hit back and show him how to shoot a 3. Doesn't hit either. And again, just fumbling the ball. Can't control it at the moment, both sides. Tori minutes e toi ana I roto I tēnei kemu I tēnei wā. Backdoor cut. Great block and deflection there by the John Paul defender. Oh, great little show and kick. Unable to hit. Finds his player though and makes the basket. Great hezzy play just before. Ref's calling a foul on the ground. St. Paul's will get John Paul will get the ball. So 1-point game at the moment with 2 minutes to go. Excited to see what happens here in the last couple of minutes. Deep 2 and he makes it, put them in lead by 1. John Paul. St. Paul's unable to hit back just there. Another 2-pointer looking. Oh, and he makes it. John Paul up by 3 now. St. Paul's look to try hit back. They'll need a couple of 2s to put them back into the lead. Another 2. Unable on that one. Kick out. Great 2-pointer there by St. Paul's. Now 1-point game. Minute 30 left. Gotta stay composed there. Oh, and defended. Looking for that 2. Interested to see what the ref's going to call here. On the ground call. But John Paul ball with a minute left to go. St. Paul's down by 1. Down by 2 now. They need a 2-pointer, bring it to level. Kuriwhiwhirua. Unable to hit. Looking for the spin. And the finish. Doesn't do so. Kuriwhiwhirua. And he makes it. Draw it up at 11-all now. With about 40 seconds to go. Te hikakatanga o tēnei kēmu ko eke ki runga. The excitement of this game just got bigger. Strong defense there. Oh, ref just caught a foul. And it could be a shot. About 10 seconds left. Oh, it's still leveled. Looking to kick it out for the 2. Unable to hit. Both fighting for the rebound. 5 seconds to go. I think we might go to overtime here. And we could do so. Refs just having a discussion here. They should be going into overtime here. First team to score. Two points, I think. You have to be up by 2. Win by 2, I believe it is. Here we go. John Paul with the ball now. Strong pressure defense here by... Oh! And he's found points. Still only a 1-point game though. Oh, Kuriwhiwhirua by John Paul. Put them in the lead and they win the game.